Good. Hello there. This is Poppy's Workshop. Poppy's 65th birthday special. Yeah, happy birthday to me. On the first I ordered a bunch of stuff with the last $500 that the government sent me of stimulus. Let me show you some things. The first item, safety wire twisting pliers. Okay. The next item, thin machinist square. Perhaps the coolest thing other way. There we go. You see that says right read. Holy shades of Ned Flanders. The numbers are upside down. Oh, wait a minute. You're supposed to hold it with your left hand. Solves the problem of right-handed people. They want to hook this on wherever, pull it, and then mark with your right hand. And they want to see the numbers. Hey! Rigging scissors. For ship modeling. A pair of screw holding tweezers. Two-inch boring head with half-inch shank. There's a whole set of projects this one has attached to it coming up. Yes. And eye gauging 10 power measuring loop. Right? Some sorted taps. Well, actually, it's a set of taps. These are for the eye gauging, measuring reticula. Now, the big item. Have it partially disassembled here. Oh yes, partially disassemble. Here's the steel rod, the column of it. Here's the cast aluminum base of it. Steel rod goes through here. That makes that go like that. Remember that. That's going to get important to you. That's right. The Proxxon drill press stand. Looks kind of nice, don't it? bought it for this part. This will attach to a standard shear line. The post that your shear line head bolts onto. Go right in there. Here, I want to put a micro make 1/4 inch drill. When they get back in stock with them at Micro Mark, I'm going to order one. Otherwise, headstock my shear line mill going to mount here. And that's the original idea there. Yes. A quill for my shear line mill. Yeah. Like I said, this $472.49 you just saw here was made possible by the kind, generous donation of my last COVID-19 stimulus check. Yeah, I didn't go out and buy a whole bunch of beer and snacks. Yeah. Anyway, good night from California. Oh, I forgot to mention, I got up this morning, sipped some beer, watched YouTube, called McMaster Card, ordered a drill bit I need, 5/16 solid carbide. I was drilling on the big vise project for my mill, and I hit a patch of hardening, a case of hardening. I was able to drill from the back through it, but I had to sharpen this drill twice. That's why I ordered a carbide drill. I ordered it from McMaster. They said it'll be here tomorrow. I believe them. They've never lied to me. About McMaster. Some of you people complain, McMaster's so expensive. And why do you shop there? Maybe it's because you don't want to spend 3 weeks looking for that thing all over the internet. And you just want to call McMaster, give them the stock number, and they say, okay, ship it today. It'll be there tomorrow, 2 days. I prefer just call McMaster. Bang, it's over with, and I can get back to work. Machining away. Think about it. Sounding better, aren't they? Anyway, good night from California.